Wonder why you have yellow teeth? Well, you need to know that your teeth turns yellow due to a number of reasons and forms a grayish shade due to food stain. However, one of the major factors that contribute to teeth turning yellow is heavy cigarette smoking. Nicotine leaves yellowish or a brown layered stain on the surface of your teeth, and this can be removed by undergoing a tooth cleansing. Some people believe that chewing teeth whitening gum or mouth fresheners will protect your teeth, but you may end up inviting more health problems if used in excess. Today in this video we will share with you how to whiten your yellow teeth naturally. Vertical bar 100% effective, just 2 minutes Magical Teeth Whitening Remedy. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need activated charcoal. Charcoal is currently one of the biggest trends in the world of wellness and cosmetics. It's become a trendy ingredient in commercial face masks and scrubs, and some people also swear by it for whitening their teeth. Activated charcoal, the type used in beauty products and toothpaste, is a fine-grained powder made from wood, coconut shells, and other natural substances that are oxidized under extreme heat. There are many charcoal toothpaste products available online and in most drugstores today. It's highly absorbent and used medically to absorb and remove toxins. But does it really work for teeth whitening? And we need sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate benefits for teeth. Yes, it's true. Baking soda can in fact help whiten your teeth. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a chemical compound that is white, crystalline, and often appears as a fine powder. It is made up of sodium and bicarbonate ions. Baking soda has a salty, alkaline taste. Its alkalinity helps eliminate tooth discoloration due to food and drink consumption. Third, we need toothpaste. Some whitening toothpastes contain the chemical glucoverin, which adheres to the surface of the teeth and creates an optical illusion that can make teeth appear less yellow. When used twice a day, whitening toothpaste can take from 2 to 6 weeks to make teeth appear whiter. Whitening toothpastes that contain glucoverin can have an immediate effect. Although whitening toothpastes are typically designed to maximize cleaning and minimize wear on tooth enamel, be careful to follow manufacturer recommendations. Last, we need lemon. Make a paste of a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice with some baking soda to safely and effectively whiten the teeth at home. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid that bleaches the teeth naturally, and baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps to gently remove the stains on the tooth surface. We have to mix it well. Mix it well. Ready for use. Brush the teeth with this recipe. Brush only 3 times in a week. Do it 3 to 4 weeks will get result. Do not brush with this recipe every day. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.